What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel! So today I am shaving my face. So, I know women don't like to talk about that, but it is a necessary step in your skincare routine. If you're not doing it, start doing it. So yeah, this is my skin afterwards. If you're interested in how to achieve soft, smooth, instant skin, keep watching. Things that you'll need today. This little razor. So I got these ones at Marshall's. They come in a pack of 3. 1, 2, and there's a third one, but I have a pink, a yellow, and a blue one somewhere. So you will also need some type of skin facial oil. So I'm going to use my argan oil. All right, so let's begin. All right, so now that I'm all up close and personal, we are going to start by checking out this peach fuzz. So I've done this a couple times before and I loved it. I've never shared it though with people. It's called Dermaplaning if you were to go somewhere else and get it done, which I do want to do once this quarantine's over. But for at home stuff right now, this is fantastic. So I'm first going to apply the oil. Now normally when I do it, I have never used the oil. I just saw someone do it the other day like that, which would make sense because it'd be a barrier. I'm gonna put that everywhere. Okay, so you want to make sure it's a nice, even, oily consistency all over your face. And you also want to do this at nighttime so you don't put a bunch of makeup and everything on after you do it. Because this is basically really good for exfoliating your skin. So it's a physical exfoliator rather than like a chemical one with like lactic acid. So it's a good thing to do both. So I just put the oil all over my skin. I'm gonna avoid areas like, whoa, mama jumma right there, that these are scars, so I'll go over that, but I'm gonna avoid like those 2 places. So if you have any like active zits or scabs, try to go around. But yeah, this side's pretty smooth. This is my good side, so as you can tell, just kidding. So face is all oiled up. All right, now we're gonna zoom in even closer. Here we go. Really up close, 4K with this video. I'm trying to see if you can get this on camera. I think I can. So before I get all up close and personal, the technique you're gonna do, okay, so what you're gonna wanna do, I'm right-handed, so my razor's gonna stay in my right hand, and when I'm doing my left side of my face, this hand is gonna pull back. Bing, bing, bing. When I go to this side, I'm gonna move my left hand, wrap it around, pull, and then go down. So if that makes sense, I'm very visual, so I try to like explain things. So now we're gonna start with the left side of my face first, and then we'll go to the right side. We're gonna start. I hope you can see this. So I'm just going to kind of pull my hairs right here and pull them back. Tilt my head. And you'll see it in the razor, so that's pretty good. It's way more noticeable for the camera if I was to do with no oil, which I probably should have just done, but it's smoother on your skin. So just know I'm getting stuff, you can just not see that well. And now I'm gonna go down. Yep, stop there, here we go. And over here. Up the cheeks. Cool. So I don't have like a super hairy face as in you can see the hair, but for me, I have like a peach fuzz face. So that's why I do this. Not because I have like a mustache or anything like that, but this will help with that too. But just because I can see like the fluffiness of your makeup and it just like, it could look better. You know what I mean? So I do this probably once a month. Yeah, but you'll totally notice a difference in your face. So this side is a little bit more problematic for me, if you can't tell. So now I will do it. So starting with this side. Up here, and you're just gonna scrape down. Ooh, you can see it. hand around the head. Here I am. Going up. Okay. And I just keep going back and then wiping off your razor just because this has oil on it. So now with the forehead. So the forehead's a great one to do because you don't realize that you have hair there and you totally do. So we're gonna do the forehead and I'm gonna zoom. This will come down. Here is my 5 head. So I'm pretty much just gonna focus kind of right along here. Kind of just shape on my eyebrows. And my face. Just go down your nose. And mustache. And I'm kind of not brushing down on my cheeks, I'm brushing up. And then I do switch the angle when I go more by my sideburns. Into this side of the face. You can, if you need to, blow your cheek up. Alright folks, and that is going to conclude the shaving part. Okay, so I wanted to come up close and personal. Okay, so here is the skin after the shave. You're gonna notice it more once you do your makeup, but just the texture of your skin, baby skin. This is how you achieve the baby skin. So I just want to put out this video because this is a main step in my skincare routine. I may not do it every day, but I do it once a month. And it has changed my skincare game. So yeah, highly recommend doing that. I think you can get them at Target. I think Revlon sells them. But yeah, once Marshalls and Home Goods opens back up, oh, I miss you. Boom, go over there. They're like $3 for 3 of them. So highly recommend that. Also, my oil I used is from Marshalls as well. I just wiped off the tag from it. $2.99. Great stuff. Use it all the time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like more skincare videos, let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.